Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surfers for analyzing the weekly pairs, major currency pairs, Bitcoin as well as US 30 and S&P 500. Before we get into this week analyzing, this is my disclaimer. So this channel was started for an educational purpose only, not for financial investment, and I am teaching how to analyze the Forex and commodity market and how I am trading them according to my personal view with Elliott wave theory. So this view may change for each Elliott wave trader, not the same view as mine. You can learn Elliott waves, and even I can also learn more from the experienced trader through comments in my post about Elliott waves. I keep learning the market every day, and I won't trade according to the fundamental and sentiment. I will trading and trade it with 100% technical only. What I learned from the books, video clips, and some personal experiences. So this channel is fully based on Elliott waves and technicals only. My ambition is to create awareness to the traders who losing still and lost the money because of the trading this business like a gambling. And I'm not asking any investments and not conducting any classes for teaching Elliott wave theory and not having any social media groups like WhatsApp, Telegram, and Facebook messengers. So only I'm doing as a free in YouTube only. So be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. And I am not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explained here. So these are all the regular watch list, the 14 pairs. So first we will get into the DXY. So last week also same what I expected. It didn't. This week the market didn't move anywhere. It still hang there. This was my last week, and what I said is, and again in the trading view I posted, once it reached the 98.3 and there is a lot of chances for getting rejection, and it may come to the downside to retest that 94 to 94.5 or 94, because there is a simple correction. A B C is over, so another, if it is a complex correction, it can make another move of three-way structure at the 98.3 and retested this uh, support zone as a resistance, and then again it can make a three ways like this in a smaller three way. So once this ABC is over, means if it is a W and X and again ABC, so there will be complex correction. This is a connecting wave. It could be a connecting wave also, because what I expected is it is a chances to make a bounce from here to make an to break that 103.82, but that is a chances for make, and still now as a chances. I'm not saying no, but there is a lot of correlation to that Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, Euro USD, GBP USD. Everything has a one more way to the upper side is possible for me. It's looked like that. So that is why, and immediately last week what I explained in the YouTube is it's ready to go to break that 103.82. But now, and immediately after that Sunday, I regularly posted in the trading view about what I explained here detailing in the chart. So that time I immediately, when I got that view, immediately I posted that in trading view. Yeah, I posted same thing, but below what I said is it has a chances for making a complex correction, chances for making a new low to 94.5 also. So this was I explained here. So today also I am explaining here with one idea, and tomorrow while I am keep on posting them, I will get the new idea or new view. So immediately I will shade that also. So it's not only depends upon that what I am explaining here. So let's move on to now in the live chart. See what I expected here, it's already did here. So ABC it's a W, X is a triangle, ABC is completed. So this becomes a W, and what I expected is it could be a X also. So we need ABC for the Y wave. Sometimes it's looking like here, one second, I will change the color. 1, 2, 3, the whole thing is 4, and this become the 5 also. So this is the chances for making that. So then it will become A. So now here is looking like A, B, C, and again there is only one wave is there. So right now here what is happening, I'm not able to count here. So right now I'm looking this as, once again I will remove this. Simply if we calculate this kind of waves, that Fibonacci will help us lot of things. And from here, because I'm expecting the X could be in a complex correction, so whether it could be a intermediate wave W, and this whole thing become X also, the whole thing become X, and ABC can come to the downside also. So this ABC is A, so the whole thing becomes a ABCB, and then it can be a C also, that one drop. That is why I have explained here, for one of my friend here, there is a chances for making this. So expecting here, we don't want to sell this pair, because we know one wave is ahead to the upper side as a bullish, nearly to 98.3 or 98.5 like that. So whenever it is coming to this zone, we have to be in buy side. Expecting this, we don't want to sell this pair. So that means that dollar has to become weak in this zone. At that time, AU, EU, NU, everything will bounce from that lower levels. What now we having that it if it will get the bounce, there is a chances for making a short positions in that. So if it did this one, we need to buy for that again three-way structure. So this become X become here. And one more thing is, with the help of the Fibonacci retracement, we are in that exactly the one below the 1272. So if it doing like this, it can go like this also without this fall. So at that time, this X will be here only, and this could be a diagonal wave also. See lot of options is going on within the channel. So it will keep moving, graining, and then it will reach, or what I said previous, it will make a sudden fall. So the whole thing becomes a ABCA, so whole thing becomes a B, and then C. After that C, this X will be in running flat, and then again for this WX, another ABC for the Y wave is possible. And one more thing is, if it is not a running flat, it could cross below this also. So this will make a support, this zone. This zone. So then that will become a running flat, and X will become here. X will be here. After that also again I'm expecting ABC to the upper side. So at that time it won't go immediately to the 98.5. Keep on little bit graining, and then like this, and if it crossed this previous high also here, that is considered as an valid for setup A, B, and C. So once it finished, it is getting ready to the downside for making a possible one more wave to the downside. So what I'm said is keep on watching for buying the dollars only and keep in the downside. So if we bought here, there is a chances for making a bounce, means in AU, NU everything it's a short. I am looking for that. Or if it is consolidation, that is also a consolidation in all other pairs. And then if it shoot, there you will get a C wave in AU, NU or Y wave. Like that I'm expecting. So still one more possible wave is there. And if we see it in the 4-hour chart, this kind of consolidation needed here. And if we keep watching in the daily chart also, it happened just on single leg here, ABCA. But in the daily chart also we need a three-way structure, ABCA here, and then C has to come to this zone. After that only I will explain you in the daily. See, right now we finished only this leg here, and we need a three ways like this if it is a complex correction. Or same thing here, what we did is it didn't break this high, but here it already broken the high. So that means we need a sharp fall, and then we having little bit like this kind of correction, or it will be a three-way correction. I will explain you here. So there is a single way is done here, like that we did here, and here it is an regular flat. Here what we did is an irregular flat. This thing, it's over here, and this we did here also, we did an irregular flat. I need this kind of fall, so it has to fall here because of irregular flat. It may be a downside also, and again if it is a triangle, that is why we declined from here itself. But I'm explaining because here it is an irregular flat, so this will go like this. So then there will be a three-way structure. A, B, C is a B, and then C. So it's here is finished. So we need a like little bit to the downside in a three-way structure for that Y. So this we need. So anyway, I'm looking for that 98.3 zone or 98.5 zone. I need a correction, and then only it may fall. Or if it is, this is the lower one, means what will happen if it goes high and then it drop, it will shoot like this. So then we come to know this is a bullish. What I said, it has a getting ready to break that 103.82. so this is also a possible. So if it comes and decline from here, if it break this low, that we consider to the downside. So keep watching this, be on buy side if it, because this wave is guaranteed up to 98.3. for me it's right now that wave formation is doing like that. But after that Tuesday or Wednesday, if it happens here, that is getting ready, means it can be anything here. So that time I will inform in, if it get any new view, I will immediately inform in my pages or in TradingView also. So as per now, this is my plan. So either there is a lot of chances to break, because YIM is correlating to that AU, NU, GU and EU. Not EU. EU is very bearish only according to that candlestick formation. I will inform you in that. I will explain you in the next chart. So according to that, I am expecting the DXY has a one more fall will be happened. So don't bias on this. Only if it break this low, there is a chances for making a 94 to 94.5 like that in a three-way structure. So let's move on to Euro USD. See, what I posted is nothing happened here in that Euro USD. One second. It's just hanging here itself. It came down and like this kind of bounce from here it happened, and immediately I'm expecting this down fall to this zone at 1.110 here. So right now it's still graining. So what I'm thinking is that I booked the profits here. 1.3325 I have shorted and 1.3375 from here, from the June 4th I'm holding that position. So this is a lot of messy and overlapping. So what I did is I closed my position at 1.1195. I have closed my position in profit. The both, one is 130 pips and another one is 185 pips. So now I'm expecting, see, it's looking very bearish in the daily, and weekly also it's a hammer, downward hammer. So according to this, in the 4-hour chart, it is informing the wedge formation. So either what it will happen here is, it's ABC, I have put it's a W, and this is the connecting wave, and here is a 5 swings is there. So nearly in 15 minutes and 1 hour, it's a very sluggish movement, and just we need to see, here is a 3-wave and here is also 3-wave, and it's here it's looking like a 3-wave. Everything it's making a 3-3-way structure only. So it is in diagonal formation. So whether it could be a 1, 2, so this is the end of the 3, 4 and 5. If 5 is completed here, this could be an Y here. What I did is, in the previous, it could be a leading diagonal also for the A wave, and expecting the B wave here. And in that yesterday in the news time at 6 o'clock it bounced here, but it didn't break the previous high. So for that intraday pattern, I exactly at 1.1250 I added my position 1, and then immediately from it, if it break this 95 in that level, I closed my all positions here. So nearly that intraday positions took 55 pips. At 95 I closed everything, where I shorted here for the two positions. One is 1.11325 and 1.11375. So I immediately closed all the position here, because expecting this could be an irregular flat, because this W X, because this 3-way structure is a W, so this is a connecting wave. So this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this could be A, and what I expected is for the for the B, for the regular flat, it has a chances for making a this kind of way I expected. So this becomes A. So ABC and ABC, and then C will again, if it break this high, I will short there, but immediately it broke this low also. So this is still in irregular flat pattern only. So I will show you in the 15 minutes. So I expected from here it will took off to the C wave to complete this structure, but it already broken this low also. So now also it's valid for that irregular flat. It can make from here to here also, but not this high. It could be a running flat also. So within this structure it can enter. So again it has a chances for making a C wave. That is what my plan. But what I am expecting here is this whole thing become a wave also. If it is an extended, what I said, ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, the whole thing becomes ABC is a W, X, and ABC is a 3. Here ABC is a 4, so ABC is a 5. So this diagonal pattern complete that Y wave here. So if it is a Y wave means this is the end of the correction. So again what we have to do is, maybe it can come like this, it has a fall, and one more view is this is the end of the Y means again we need a connecting structure. For that another, if it is a Y means it's a complete three-way structure is completed here. So another connecting wave. After that I am expecting to the downside for 1.1050 also. So the previous what I did, this zone here. So if it did, so this becomes a W, X, and again three-way structure. So lot have to do here, or else what I said, no, sometimes this leading diagonal will be a very small correction after this A, B, and suddenly it may fall also. There is a little bit of for the B, what I said here, and without breaking this wedge formation, it has a chances for making a sharp fall for the C also. So the whole thing become in the bigger way is 1 2 3 4 5, it's A and small b and C. So that is also, if we look in converted into that 4-hour chart, see this whole thing becomes a ABC, and here it's an irregular flat B, and without breaking this wedge trend line for the bearish, immediately it will fall here. Like an AU, it did lot of things. I will show you for example the daily chart. Here it's keep on graining immediately for the irregular flat B, and C from here it shooted to the downside. So like this it may happen. Same thing here, it's keep on graining, and immediately after the three-way structure it took off. Lot of patterns is doing like that only. Here also the same thing, it's keep on wedge formation. I'm just explaining that this one only, pattern trading, it's not according to the Elliott waves, but that pattern is also forming the Elliott wave. See 1 2 3 4 and 5, after that everybody expected here to the downside, but what had happened, it shooted to the downside, upper side here. So this kind of wave formation will happen in Euro USD also, in these things. The wedge pattern only if it break this trend line here, then only it will took the more consolidation for making the connecting wave X, and then only fall. Or it will be what I said, this could be a, so B is an irregular flat and C will fall here according to that fib expansion for the target. This A, so C, and it will exactly, it will come to this zone. So like this it can happen. So this is my bias for this week, and I need to explain you in that DXY also, the positional view or Euro USD. see here I took it as a, one second, yeah, here I took it as a W because in the daily here is also it's a, I took it as an A, B, and the whole thing becomes C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it is a B, C is a, so this is the connecting for B and C. So here also I took it as a B, C is a. So according to the flat correction, ABC is a, so ABC is a B and C. So once that flat correction is ended, we need to place it as a W. I just took it like that only. So once this is a connecting wave, because we are further in that upper side or downside, why I place as a W, that is the reason here. But lot of people's took it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is also possible. Why I took it as an W means this is an downside moment. This is we are in the correction only. Here we are in the correction. This is a downtrend. You have to understand that this is the downtrend. We didn't know whether it is a bullish, only if it crossed this trend line only we come to know. So as per now, this 1A, B, C is over. So after the A, B, C, we didn't know whether it is a starting of the bullish or it is a continuous pattern for the downside. So as per this, I took it as a ABC means is at W. So we are in the connecting wave for X, and again one more to the this kind of wave I am expecting. So this is the weekly chart. Mind that these are all the positional view what I am explaining here. Why I took it as a W, and some way I took it as an ABC. A is a 1 also. Is a 5. If it is a 5 wave correcting structure or if it is a diagonal wave, that is why I have explained here. It could be a 1. So this could be a 2. This could be a 3. See, A, B, C is a 3. And I took it here. This portion is the most important for me. And according to my view, I am explaining. If it is a running flat, sorry, expanded flat, the wave 4 is ended here. So we are in the wave 5 of ABC. We need to complete the structure ABC, but it is not making this kind of ABC as a for the fifth wave. That fifth wave is an diagonal pattern. How we labeled here as a ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC as a 3, ABC as a 4. Like that, the fifth wave also get as a diagonal wave here. So in diagonal wave only, it will keep messy, everything is overlapping all the three waves only. So that is why I explained here. If it is a diagonal wave for the fifth wave, it's ABC is a 1 is completed here, ABC 2 is completed here, and the whole thing becomes a B and C. So the third wave is completed now as per this 1, 2, 3 is completed here. We are in the fourth wave. So once it get completed the fourth wave, again A, B, C to the fifth wave to break this high. So then that is valid for the fifth wave. That is what my view for this. Because lot of people asking me that DXY will, because it is a double top, and we are in the ABC is a this they took this wave as a A, B, C as a B, and we are in the C wave to the downside to break this. But what I have learned lot of as per the Elliott waves, see, if it is the starting of the fifth wave, that could be end of the C wave also for the previous wave. You have to mind that also. See, I'm not saying and I'm not arguing and I'm not comparing to others' view, but people asked me, that is why I have explained. So the people who followed in my YouTube also may have the question like that. So that is why I explaining here. Just now I remembered that question, so I have explained here. People's took it this 5 wave as a A and this as a B, and they are expecting the C wave to the downside to break this. Dollar has to lose the strength. But my view is this is the end of the fourth wave and we are in the fifth wave. So this, according to the Elliott waves, we can label at whatever you like and whatever what you are seeing, your view. So both the views are valid until the market has to tell that. So if it went high according to this what I explained here, that is also valid. So if it didn't make and if it break this low also, that is also valid. So at that time my view is getting wrong. So but this was the chances for making this high to break. So that is my view. So according to that view I'm just trading. Here no need to argue, this is my way of, this is my his view, so I'm the right, I'm the wrong. It's not the argument. This is a healthy discussion what I'm liking. That is why I have explained here in my disclaimer what I have said. This view I'm trading them according to my personal view with Elliott wave theory. So view may change for each Elliottician trader, not the same view as mine. So that you have to mind. So my bias is it has to break to 103.82. So according to that I will trade that and correlated to all the pairs, AU, NU, everything. So mind that, and I already explained that AU and NU, it has a chances for already bottomed. So at that time if it already have, it's already bottomed means it is in bullish. So at same thing if it is an euro also, it may have a bottomed if it is. So if it is bottomed here means we are in the bullish. So if it break again this thing 1.25, so then again it is valid only. So I took it as a here as a fourth wave. So if it broke this, that is invalid. So at the time what we have to do is here finished the fourth wave and fifth wave here itself. We are in the bullish. We have to take this as a bullish wave. So this is the start of the fifth wave. The 5 wave contains is a starting of the wave 1 or A, and the whole thing is becomes B, and that C has to shoot here. So this is Elliott waves. Each trader got on every different views. What I am simply explaining here is, once again it will took late, but you are learning something, I think so, because I am eagerly teaching you and I'm not getting anything because I am fine tuning myself. If I am teaching to you, I got disciplined and I am having fine tuned myself. Simply I will explain here why I having one more new way to the downside, why I bias on that. See, this is an A, it's a correction. So this is the correction wave for that A, B, and C is finished here. if the C is finished here means it's already broke this bottom, and then again it is a C wave. So whether if it already broken means, for in my view what I'm trying to say is it's already broken, so that is still irregular flat here. So irregular flat means still we are in that one more wave to the downside is possible, is my point. So as per this, here this whole thing becomes triangle. This A, B, C is finished here. So what is the part? This, what part is this? How to calculate this? And here is an A. So A, B, C is a B, and C is completed. So if we took it as a, this is a B, the whole thing becomes a 1, 2, 3, and this is somewhat a triangle, 4, and 5 is completed here. So this is also one more view. I'm not saying no. So this is also possible. So if this is completed here, this whole thing becomes a bullish. A, B, C. So this is the chances if it ended here. So lot of you, but I'm just working as like this. What I explained here, I took it as an irregular flat, and we are in that correction to the downside. Still we are in the diagonal way. I'm expecting to the downside to break this low. That is my view as per. So I think you understand much my view. So let's move on to next pair, Australian dollar and USD. See, this also I explained, we already broke this low. So this is becomes a B, C. So W, X, and Y wave is also a diagonal wave forming. It's already formed and ended here, and we are, it's a V reversal. This also, for the V reversal, I have explained here lot of times. See, this is a fall, V reversal, and here it's also fall and V reversal, but this time it already broken this high, but it not sustained here, it's still hanging. So still it is bullish wave, one more wave to the upper side is possible. So even though if it isn't bullish, I need a correction at least for this 6.3, at least it has to come to this 6.3. So even though if it isn't whole thing becomes a W here, I explained a lot of times, it's a wave 1, 2, whole thing becomes a 3, means this whole thing becomes a 4, and fifth wave is already did. So it's A, B, C is a W, X, and this is the Y, and still there is a chances for making a X wave to the downside. For Z wave I am expecting, but it already bottomed also, it's possible. So according to the DXY, I just keep on trading this. So let's move on to Australian dollar. So my view in that, I need to explain that GBP USD also. We will see in the next. So this was my plan. What I'm thinking is here it can go up to high, and then again I am expecting this 6.7. Okay, right now it's already did up to 6.775, and still be bounced, and one more correcting and consolidation is going on. So all the pair is this week is very messy, and it didn't reach any target. Only GU is in good, and that oil I took a profit in that and keep on watching only, and just it's keep on going, and you can I'm in that trade, you can and just keep holding that buying position. So let's move on in the live chart of Australian dollar. So here what I'm expecting here is 4 hours. Here I'll again explain. Here one more confusion here, whether this drop is an A, and I will change the color, change it to blue. Yeah, this is A, B, C. So this is my doubt. Sometimes this looks A and A, B, C is a B in an expanded flat. I'm looking for that C wave to the downside that time. But now it's very confused because this kind of wave here, what happening here, it's a very it's looking like a corrective only. We are not either going to the bullish or bearish. So still what I'm expecting here is this could be a B, C is ended here, or this 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 here, this 1 2 3, and this is a triangle of 4 and 5. So it's looked like a 3 waves, and sometimes it's looked like a 5 waves. So right now what I'm expecting here is this is an A, this whole thing becomes a B, and I need one more C wave to the upper side to break this high. So if it is a 3-way or 5-way, that is no point. Anyway, it's ABCA, so ABCB, and now I need, after this, I need this kind of wave for the C wave or Y wave. Whether if it is an A wave means this whole thing is an ABC, so then C wave we will get. If it is a ABC is a W, so we will get ABC as a X, so another ABC as a for the Y wave. So that is my plan. But if it is an somewhat irregular flat, if it is a W and a X, means we are in that formation of once again. If it is a ABC, it's a W, so whole thing becomes a X, ABC here, it's finished. So the whole 3-way structure is completed. And what will happen here is, if it is a Y way, is also split into the W. What I'm explaining here is, if the Y wave also a WXY pattern, it don't want to break this high, it can fall from here also. So if you want, I will explain here. This becomes a this becomes a yeah here. Because this ABC is a W, because it's a B C, so ABC is a W here. If it is an X here also, one ABCA, so this whole thing becomes a B, and C is ended here, means it already broke this low, so another W of, maybe you can for your information, you can place it as a red, and it has to be in X. If it is an X wave, it don't want to break this high because it's already did an expanded flat, irregular flat. So another irregular flat is not acceptable. So this, if it is a W, this is a connecting wave means, and again it can fall from here also. So this is a one more view also in that Australian dollar. So as per now, I am expecting a little bit bounce, but if it keeps graining here or from here itself, once again I will delete these things. If it keep coming down, that is also valid for A, B, and C. So the whole thing becomes W, and again this becomes a Y wave, and again this could happen if it is a fully bearish. It can happen like this also. So anything can happen here, but this is not getting ready for the bullish wave. Still now we are in the correction part only. Whether it is making a little bit complex correction, but this is not the end of that correction also, and this is not getting ready to break this high also. If it breaks high means this is the part of W. If it breaks also, this becomes a here X, and again I need one more drop for that this thing. So W means we need to label it as a B or X, because I placed it as A or W Y. So B or X, and then it has to go to the upper side in the three-way structure. For 7.3 I am expecting 7.3 or 7.2 like that. Still we are in that bullish wave only. So that is why I have already did. It's not yet confirmed also, but we are getting a rejected candle. Last time I explained, we are getting the rejection candle in the daily. Here I explained we are getting a rejection candle. So still now we are in the bearish only. It is in correction part. It's not bearish. I am telling, for this wave we are in still correction only. It is not a reversal to the downside, and it is not a reversal to the upper side also. So I think next week also will be a consolidation zone, but everything will be a little bit fast moving, not like this kind of messy. So a little bit fast we will get up to 7, above this 7, this high, and again it may fall. So this week will be a little bit faster movement we will get. So next we will move on to, after the finishing of New Zealand dollar, we will move on to GBP. I forgot that. So same view, it's nothing changed like the Australian dollar also. I am looking this as an impulsive wave, or if it is the same, there's nothing changed, like same Australian dollar, the New Zealand dollar also same. So same view, no need to explain a lot of things here also. I'm expecting one more push to the upper side, or it can go up to this level and then again fall. So everything I'm expecting the fall only. It has a chances for making this. It's the previous one. So I just not yet uploaded my view. This is the past one. So here if it is a 5 ways means again we need a 3-way structure. So that 3-way structure also, it can break the high and then immediately fall also for the irregular flat. Or if we took it as an here as an expanded flat, a irregular flat, we no need to break this high. So understand that, and we are still downtrend only. If it is pushed back to this higher level also, I am expecting the downside. Still one more possible wave to the downside is possible. So after that one wave only, that X wave may completed, or it could be a still more correction, like this kind of correction also possible here, because here it's a one more ABC is completed. So these are all connecting wave. I'm expecting a little bit one more upward is possible here, like this. That is what I explained here the last week. So after the connecting wave, again ABC can shoot to the 6-8 also, 6-8 or 6-7. So that is also I have show you in the, still it's looking like the correction, because once ABC is over, we need a bigger connecting wave, but this is a very small connecting wave for this bigger drop. So this could be an ABC is a W. So ABC, we are on the C wave of irregular flat or running flat, and then one more drop is possible. That is why I explained in Australian dollar it's more than 1618 fib retracement. That is why I didn't took that as an irregular flat, but here it is valid for that irregular flat. It's still under below that 1618. So that is why I took it as an irregular flat, and again one more C wave is possible to the upside for 6.8 or 6.9, and then again one more three-way structure to the downside is possible. See, this wave is, it's not yet completed. So the structure is not yet get ready for that, for the bullish wave. Here is A, B, C and C. This is the connecting wave, and again that. But here also A, B, C, the connecting wave is not sufficient for me here. If it did from here, if it goes like this, okay, I will show you it in that. I will show you in that screenshot. I will hide this labelings. I'll expand this. You will get full screen, and I will screenshot. See, this is the bigger A, B and C. So ended here. Now we are in the correction. So in the complex correction also 1 A, B, C is completed. So what is the next? Is a connecting wave. So this connecting wave is also, it's not looking like a three-way structure. It's not looking like a three-way. It's a small three-way structure, and again I need one more three-way structure to the downside, and again one more three-way structure to the upper side to break this. And then if it fall from here like this, the structure is completed, right? You understand this? So now what I'm expecting here is like this, it has to happen, and immediately I need like this. But what happened here? It fall. So this is an irregular flat. So now what we need? Again a three-way structure. So that is what we are in here. So this kind of wave structure has to happen here. So once it finished this structure, again I need this wave. So this is the completion of the structure here. So once it completed, it will shoot. So what we are in this is just we completed only A, B, C, and again I need one more small three-way structure, and immediately I need a three-way structure to the upper side. So this wavelength I need here. So that is what we are making here. So I think you understand here compared to the Australian dollar. So I need like that, and then immediately I need a fall. So this is not the complex structure. Still we are in the correction only. We are in this just Y wave. So next we will move on to GBP USD. So that is the only one thing it achieved a little bit. I won't trade the GBP, just for only for the analyzing. Okay, I need to, yeah. See, I expected this wave, and again immediately to the downside, at least for the running flat. So I expected 1.216 for that Fibonacci. I expect the Fibonacci level is a 1, but it did 786. So exactly it came down nearly 300 pips. Yeah, 340 pips. It's nearly. That is a beautiful trade, but I won't trade the GBP pairs. From the starting itself, I'm not so interested in the GBP pairs because I'm a little bit emotional person. So GBP is a little bit volatility whenever I entered in that 2016-17 range, because at that time it's a Brexit is going on. The fundamental and the pair is moving messy of 3 waves like that. I'll show you here. When I entered in this field, I was here 2016 I entered. At that time, this wave is going on. It's not like a healthy for the beginners here. So this kind of volatility, I'm not, because at the time I'm the beginner, right? In the practical, I started from 2013 and 2014. I have read the Elliott waves, get ready for the start at the Elliott waves, and at the time the 2016 I be as a full-time trader. After that also I didn't trade any trade 2000 up to 2018 now August. After that only I took the trade, once I believe myself and believe my strategy. So that time it's a keep on messy, and I'm not able to, this is short fall, see short fall and then keep on messy, and then immediately it will took off, and then again it's a correction. So I never got an interested in the GBP pairs to trade. So still now it's continuing. So I think, yeah, we will move on to this. I will switch from the 4 hours. So right now this is one impulsive wave is over, second impulsive, and here so correction, and this is the starting of the impulsive. So what I did is I told the last week also, if it is an A, so the B is an here ABC and ABC. So once this A, B, C, we need an impulsive, but it's not looking like an impulsive. Again A, it's a B in a irregular flat, and C is finished. So this is also 3-way, this is also 3-way, and according to the Fib retracement also, it is within that 1272. So I am expected that irregular flat. I explained that last week also. So it did that same thing. So now what we are in that exactly at 786. Here rejection, here we are in the 786. So it is a chances for making a bounce also, because why I have explained here is, it's looking like the 5-way structure is got ended here. It's looked like that in the shorter time frame also. It's looked like 5-way is ended here, or it may be a little bit one more for the 4th wave, and then again it may fall, but it is getting ready to. And according to that Fib retracement here, yeah, to here, it's already in the 1. AB is equal to CD pattern. So why we need to unnecessarily, we no need to lose that profit what the people did. So that is why I have in my group and to my client I explained that, and immediately I told to book the profit. So here they did a book the profit in my one of the forum. I am the community member of that forum. So I immediately explained that we are in that 786. So what it will do is it has a chances for making another 3-way and fall also. See, I'm telling this is a possibility, but it has a chances for making a new high also. So we need to look the DXY also. But EU is very messy, but GU is very, it's already did that 786. So if EU, what I am expecting in that little bit upper side to the 1.1320, at the time it can also make a 3-way structure, and again one more 3-way structure to the downside is also possible. So at that time, so bigger A, so if it is a W or A, so the whole thing becomes a B, and then again C has to shoot. So mind that. And let's move on to USD Chef. So that is also same, it's didn't done anything, it's just here I expected, and what it did is this is, I expected is a W and a X. So if it is a B and we are in the C wave means we are in the 5 structure, but if it is a X means we need a ABC. So the whole thing becomes an irregular flat for the X wave. Here I explained. Now we are in the correction only, so it didn't anything. So what I am expecting here is maybe it may give a drop and then it can go like this, or it can be a irregular flat. Remove this. Here it may keep graining, it will go above this high and drop, and then again it can took off. So the whole thing become irregular flat here in this correction after this A, B and C. So that will become the irregular flat of this X wave. After then again I am expecting the one more drop to the downside. So next move on to USD JPY. This is also what I said is it has a chances for making a higher also. Here what I did is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but sometimes it look at ABC, A, B and C also. So whether if it is a W, X and we are on the A wave and then B wave to the downside also, so that is also possible. So here I already accumulated that 108.65 what I said. From this drop I expected to the upper side, but it dropped here. So I think this valid is it is not valid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not looking like a means it's looking like that way also as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is looking a zigzag as a second wave, and third wave can go to the higher side also. But now the gold, what happening here in the gold also, it's looking like somewhat what I'm expecting as an ending diagonal in the C wave. So it can again reach that 1825 or above the 1800. This is a lot of possibilities here. So I did nothing, I just keep holding that 108.65 position. If it comes to the downside of 104.8 or 104 here 103.6, according to this wave formation I will add the position, or if it goes like this I will exit my position here. So mind that this is my view in USD JPY. So I will explain in that live chart USD JPY. Still now we didn't break this low. So what I am expecting here, it may be a bounce to break this high, and then it has a fall, or if it is a complex correction again it can make a one more high and then it may fall. But that's a higher possibilities to break this high. That is a question mark only for me. Yeah, because I bias on this now. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it is a second wave, it has to break this high also, because 1, 2, 3 has to shoot, and above it has to go to 114, 113 like that. So let's see. I'm keep on buying only. If it comes to here only, I will add. I will no more add in the higher levels, because the pattern is not yet confirmed for me to go long. Because in gold I'm thinking it has one more way to the upper side. Once again, yeah. The gold, if it goes to the 1800 or 1825, there's a lot of chances to the downside only. So at that time I am expecting the stock also to fall. I will show you that stocks also, that is correlated to that gold and UJ also, that safe haven currencies and the funding currencies. So let's move on to USD CAD. So the USD CAD also I'm starting from, I bought from here and that FOMC, and then I booked an exit here. Now I'm looking at the correction only. I have placed already at the buy stop above this 1.370. I have explained that same thing the last week also. So keep on watching only. I have done some intraday trades in UCAD, only in selling, sorry, only in buying, not in selling. Now it's a very confusing here. I took it as a WXABC. It can has a chances to go higher level also, but it got that this view is get invalid now. So right now I am explaining here, if it is in a W, we didn't break this high yet. So the whole thing I will screenshot and show you. This is a drop. So change to the red color. So sometimes it's look like a 5-way here, sorry, 3-way structure, and sometimes if we did 1 2 3 and 4 is a triangle, and then 5th here it's looking like a triangle also. So this whole thing becomes a wave 1, wave 2, so the wave 3, so wave 4 and wave 5. So sometimes it's look like that only. So according to that, if it is an A, this A, B, C, here up to here, so this is W, and this is a irregular flat of X, and it's a W here is completed, A, B, C, here the X is completed, and for this I will explain you here. If it is a W, if this is an X, it may be another, the Y wave is also a X, W, X, A, B, and then I am expecting C way to fall, sorry, Y way to fall. So that could also possible. Or simply what we have to do is, this portion is a, this portion is a connecting wave for the downside. Just we need to look for the downside. So if it comes like this, I will be in buy side at in this zone 1.13450, 1.3450. So this impulsive, the whole thing becomes corrective, and I am looking for that buy up to 1.38, up to 1.38 only, because this wave has to happen here. This is A means the whole thing becomes B, and C wave has to go up to 1.3750 or 1.380 like that. So this is my view in UCAD. That is why I explained at that time there is a chances for making, if it is a W, X, A, B, C can shoot up to this level also. But if anything it's a complex correction, what I did is worked out, it has a chances to for making one more correction, and then it will took off. That is why I have explained here. It's all technical of trend lines. It exactly same, it reacted to this zone and this zone. So the whole thing is in correction. So once it completed, see this simply A, B, see. So just if we draw the lines, it's very easy, but if we are in the trade, that is very tough to manage the trade. But we have to just listen only. If we are already entered the trade, we need to listen for that what we have did. So what is our destination is the same. We know the destination has to reach here. So we need to be patient. If you already, because of that Elliott waves only, I have booked the profit here. I have already explained here. Here itself I booked the profit, and after that it's keep on watching from 12th Jan, from the last week. It did anything, just simply going high, and it's all affecting the fundamentals. According to that, it's keep on moving. So here we no need to trade. I just took here only the trade, and immediately I exited here. That is the only one trade I took here for the intraday, and only in the buy trade, not in sell. Even though if it is a drop, I'm not sure about that, because see, like this kind of wave formation from WX and AB, there is a chances for making this way also, and then again it will drop. So if it is a diagonal wave, we can't identify where it started from. It is also started from the 3 waves. So up to that 1.38 or 1.3750, I will be in buy side up to that. So once we know the destination, we will keep patience. Without knowing that, the fear will come. So let's see, it has to happen here, this correction, and then again one more way to the impulsive to the upper side is possible. So what else? Yeah, New Zealand all finished. Chef, now we need to, so the gold. So gold also, I just posted, I shared that there is a chances of making up to 100,703, and then again to 1757, because here we are, I didn't know whether this is a W, this is the connecting wave, and this is the completion of the Y wave, or if it is an W, the whole thing is a connection of connecting wave of AX. So if it is a finish of X in that expanded flat or a running flat, again the Y has to fall to 1660. So I am expecting this wave, but not expecting this way. I am not in selling, because I know this is an, from here I expecting here, but now after my change that last week, I have told you, if it is an ending diagonal, we are in the wave 1 is completed, and wave 2 is completed, and wave 3 is completed. So wave 4, it is not, it has to come to this down. It may chances for making from here itself to making the one more high also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the wedge formation. I will show you here. So now once again I will show you what happened here. That's gold. Exactly, it came down, and we are doing that here. So still now we are in that correction only. So here, as per this view, it already, this high is already broken, this high. So right now that view is got invalid. What this W, if it is a ABC is a W, so the expanded flat, sorry, running flat is now invalid, because it's already broken the high. So what I'm thinking here is, we are in the fourth wave, that we know, but even though now this is an impulsive wave, this is an impulsive wave. So whether we are not yet crossed this high, so up to this it may be a A, so A, B, C is over, so this becomes a W, so this becomes a W, 1, see this wave is not cross this one, okay, so this A, B, C is the W, so this is an X, it could be again A, B, C to break this low. So once it completed, this becomes A, and it's B. So A, B, C is completed. So at that time, this looks like bigger A, B, C. So again A, B and C. So what else we have to look? This is in the fourth wave. So we have to be in the triangle, because if it is a third wave is ended here, 1, 2, 3 is ended, we are in the ending diagonal, so of that fifth wave. So this also, yeah, ABC is a 4 is completed, or we are still in the fourth wave, can't say. So once it reached this higher, maybe it be a third wave here, fourth wave is ended, we are in the fifth wave is also ended, or if it didn't make a high also, if it rejection here, there is a lot of chances for making a triangle A, B, C, D and one more E wave, and then it will took off for the fifth wave. So that time this channel will come to here. So that portion is 1, 2. See that second wave time taken is very low. That is why we are in that fourth wave is very complex correction. So if it is not broken this high in here in this wave, that fourth wave will become here as a triangle, and then fifth wave has to show. But after here, if it dropped like this, because ABC B and C wave, there is a chances for making that also. That time also this channel will trend line come like this. So that is also valid. 1, 2, 3, 4 and one more ABC to the fifth way is also possible. So whatever it is doing here, we need to watch and trade safe, because in that higher levels buying is not a good trade for in the gold right now. Because what I'm expecting is in the DXY also, I'm expecting the 103.82 has to break, means there is still chances for making a new low in gold. Maybe around 1350 or a 1250, 1240 is a chances. So after that, if it did that 103.8 at that time, gold can come down so much, because it's 103.82 has to break, but it can reach up to 110 also. So mind that. So trading gold here in the higher levels in buying is very tough. So selling is not also advised here. For the intraday you can took any trade, but keeping with the stop loss if it isn't safe stop. It's not like we no need to unnecessarily give that our dollar to that market. See why I am explaining here is, if don't bias on this wave here, if it comes like this and then it can bounce, means what the people like us also, like I'm also. So what the fourth way is dead. So we are the A, B, C, fifth way is dead. So we are in the fifth way only. Again, if they buying here, we need to book profit immediately if it cross the high. Don't keep that in the long to break that 1800, or it has to break that 1765 like that. Because if we keep that position, it will fall like this as an irregular, as a regular flat. And if the market goes above this level, so what we thought is, okay, it is going to shoot above. It's already broken this third wave, maybe a irregular flat also, mind that, because ABC is ABC as a B, and then again fall for the C as an irregular flat is also possible. So a lot of views here, so that is why I'm not trading here. Once if it is confirmed for me at the time the wave formation, then I will took the trade for intraday or just for 1 or 2 days. I won't hold the trade for weeks like that. What I'm took the buy trade in US oil and UCAT. It's not like that, because still there is a drop of $300 to $400 is still ahead in the gold. So mind that, and just you need to see that daily chart also where we are. Mind that. See here, this is the 1924 and we are in that 1768. So if we keep that Fibonacci retracement also, we are above that 786. So if it moves also 886, it can go. That is why I'm saying that 108.25, sorry, 100 is 1825 is also possible. So this is the region I'm expecting, 1800, 182, and there is a little bit lot of liquidity, and then it can shoot up to 1850 also. That is also possible, and then immediately it has to fall down. That is my thinking. That's it. But I'm not going to trade this gold here. So the same like silver also. Here just I will show you that. Yeah, I just we are like that gold also. Here we are in that consolidation only. Just I expected that bounce. It's already did, but I'm not in buy. Just keep on watching only. So whether it is making a triangle or it is an irregular flat. So I already placed that at 16,550. I already placed that buy, because if it comes here, it will shoot for that one more wave to the upper side is possible. So that is why I have placed that order already. So whether we need to see whether it is a triangle, then I will took a buy above this 18200, and then for the target of 19400 or 19200. So that is my target. So we will see. And now the US oil. See, at that time I told I have already shorted here, and one more that in that FOMC meeting. So I took the profit, I told, but here what I said is if it comes to the 39.8, I will look for the sell, but for this wave, but it is not correlated to that UCAD at the time. That is why I didn't took that sell, because once we know whether if it is an A, B, C is completed here for the fourth wave, everybody is looking, but it could make a triangle also here. Same what I expected it's doing. It's all I already did a short here first time, and I took again a profit here, and then again I took a sell here second time, and I took the profit here. because at that time here it's looking like ABC is completed. So here what happened here is a lot of things. It's just ABC is finished and it will took off. See here also it's a triangle and then again took off. See here one more ABC and then again it took off. So like that, if it is making a simple correction only, it's not doing a complex correction. So how can I hold this as expecting this 31? So that is why if it is in buy side, immediately we need to book, because we know this is the fourth wave. So fourth wave will, what it will do, it's a regular flat. So what I have drawn is for the regular flat, but there is a chances for irregular flat, or there is a chances for a triangle. So whatever it is, it can do anything, and we know the structure, what are the characters of the fourth wave. So according to that we need to trade. So not blindly what I said in the past week, 39.8, and again we are looking for that sell. See, it's not blindly. I will show you here what it's happening here. I'll just hide all those things. See, I took a sell here and I took a sell here. That's it. I took the profit here because I am expecting this A, B, C. So that C is finished means the three-way structure is gone, and after the next three-way structure only I need to sell. So at that time also this A, B, C, A, B, C. It's not like that. This could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. So this, and again this whole thing become A. So B can do anything. B is in triangle also. B can be a irregular flat also. B can be a regular flat also. But after this, watching this one, this is also looking like a 5-way structure. So expecting this 5-way structure, if I sell here, immediately I need to buy because I need to book the profit, because it's a B wave, the intermediate B wave. What happened here? It's a triangle again. So I didn't done anything because the 5-way structure is over, means we need to buy only after the end of the 3-way. And one more doubt is for here, the end of the 5th way means it could be a B C A B C B, and then C can down. But I did done anything because expecting this as an irregular flat. See this fall, even though if it is an Elliott wave trader, even though if it is an irregular flat, we will get tempted by the market placing the stop loss at 39, looking for that sell for the target of 31. But I didn't done anything because we are not confirmed here it is a regular flat or this is a way of 5-way structure. Whether this is a 5-way structure, again we need a 3-way structure, and then only we have to sell. But here there is no conclusion here. Whether it could be a 5-way structure or this could be a 3-way structure, no need to take a risk here, because once we know the pair is in buy. So if it comes here, I'm getting ready to 31 to 32, I'm getting ready to buy, add more. So unnecessary, we no need to take a sell. This is a buying pair. See, from 0 to it took all the way to $40. So unnecessarily we don't know whether it is already topped or we are on the bullish bearish side. We didn't know anything yet. It is not confirmed yet. So that is why I'm not did anything, and I correlated to that UCAD also. If I need to sell this pair for the $31, UCAD has to reach at least 1.3750, what the target is I'm expecting. But it didn't done that also. That is also keep messy. It's 1.35 and it's get struck with that 1.3612, and it is not going higher also. So I didn't done anything correlating to that UCAD, and this done a irregular, sorry, this did a triangle here, and again it took off. See, if we watching that candlestick pattern also, what is the candle here? It's a bearish, strong bearish. But what happened here? Consolidating, and then it will took the stop loss. If that is why we need to be very flexible. Don't want to get strict to our count. If we get doubted, see here it is, we don't know 1 2 3 4 5, or this is a 1 2 3 A, 1 2 3 B, and it is not confirmed. And if it is also C wave also, that it has to took this low, then only it is confirmed. Then we have to looking for the pullback and making a stop loss of here wave 1, because if it is a ABC A, ABC B, we are looking for the C wave also, that first wave and the second wave don't want to go above the wave 1. So that kind of confirmation only we need to take a risk, not according to the candlestick pattern. So mind that, trade safe. So right now what I'm expecting is already took that high. Now it is in regular flat. So it has a chances now for me. I just did an, if either A, B, C means it's not looking like a 5-way structure. But maybe if it is a W, X, because A, B, C, A, so A, B, C, B, and C is a diagonal pattern here in that shorter time frame. So I place it as a W, X, so it looked like a B, and C, but it already did another high also. So what I'm thinking now is it can go like this, drop, and then there is a chances for making this also, because for that irregular flat pattern from here to here, it's a 1272 is up to 42, yeah, up to 42.1 is also valid. So still there is a chances for making another high also. At the time UCAD can come down again. So it's still bullish only, don't want to sell here. The first sell took the profit, second sell took the profit, that's it. Market gave the lot of pips in that sell. Now we need to look for buy only. So unnecessarily you look for the sell hitting the stop loss, and then you will get emotions. So unnecessary, those one we don't need anything. We don't want that kind of emotionals and revenge trading. So why I am expecting this as a triangle means, here that wave 2 is a very sharp, and it's not yet took the time. So I'm expecting a little bit consolidation. So whether it could be a, what I expected here is a triangle, or it could be a regular flat also. So that time this can make this kind of regular flat, but lot of times if it broke the high also, lot of time it did the triangle only. I will show you here. A lot of time the triangle will be, it's look like a irregular flat. Here it's a triangle A, B, C, D, E. So if it isn't, it's looking like a regular flat, we can make it as a regular flat also. This one A, B, C, D, E. So every time in the small, a lot of triangles I had did here also. See, it's A, B, C, D, E. Lot of times when the irregular flat, it's look like a regular flat, it will make a triangle only. So this is an example. So like that I'm expecting here also. It did that irregular flat, everybody looking for that irregular flat, but it will give only the triangle. So still we have a lot of time to break out, whether if it is a flat correction means whether it has to be an running flat, or it could be an expander flat also. So I'm looking only for the buy only. That is my conclusion. I'm looking for the triangle or irregular flat, and then again for the fifth way to that $44. So now Bitcoin. So that is also did anything this week. A little bit free, so I took for that Indian stocks also a lot of 30 pairs I did, and concentrated in the equities, and I booked that Axis Bank, ICICI, and RBL Bank, the profit. Here also see it's still struggling to break that high. It's still breaking this channel. I told several times it has to be break, close, retested in the daily chart, then only it will took off for that bullish. Until then this is the bearish only. So there is no trade. I won't trade that intraday trades. I will took only the swing trade or positional trades. So what kind of that wave formation here happening, can't say, and no need to waste the time. Just we will look for that another pair. Lot of opportunities are there in that forex also. Till there, see Bitcoin is also done nothing. Some forex pairs also except the GBP and oil. There is no trade in anything. Just keep on watching. So there is no trade in the Bitcoin as of now. And we will move on to SPX, S&P 500. See, I expected the drop. It's already did. It's looking like a five-way structure in 1 hour. It's a W. So X, maybe ABC is a finished, or it is a five-way structure ABC, and then this C is finished. Whatever it is, now it's a five-way structure. Now it's completed. I'm expecting little bit consolidation and then drop, and then again it has to go like this. That is my ABC pattern in the correction for the 5 ways. And if it did the low, lot of chances. So still we are in that correction only. Or if it break the high and it breaks the high also, so then there is a lot of chances for one more high also, because this is the 5-way structure. If it break means that becomes a irregular flat, and then it can be a drop also. So if it took the high, so still we are in that bullish scenario only. Even though if it took the means, again we have to do one more high is possible. So if from here or from here, it has a chances for making high. But if it didn't make a high, it fall from here itself, there is a chances for making a lot of triangle, or it could be a complex corrections. That is possible. So right now in the 1 hour chart, it's looked like a little bit of push up to the upper side and then may drop, or if it is making a irregular flat means it can took off this high and then again drop. So in positional view I have to explain. I have already did that, and I will show you in that weekly also. I will just hide all my drawings. Now I'll show you some drawings. Once again, yeah. See, this whole thing becomes a wave 1, and this is an irregular flat is of wave 2. So if we finish that wave 3, this is looking like an expanded triangle. Sorry, here I will took, so A, B, C, D and E. So lot of chances for making a one more high also for the fifth wave. If it is a 1, 2, 3 is ended here, fourth is an expanded triangle, so fifth is possible for that, 3, 6 also. That is my positional view. And what I thought is, I marked up to this as a third wave ended. I took it as an diagonal way. ABC1, ABC2, ABC3 is finished, ABC4 is finished, ABC5 is finished. So I took it as a B, C is completed, or 1, 2, 3 is completed. So if it is 3 means we already dropped for that wave, and again we did a 3-way structure. See, this is a drop in 3-way structure, and we are in up in 3-way structure. So again if we drop in the 3-way structure, so that is making a chances for making a triangle also. Or if it drop here, that becomes an irregular flat, sorry, it's a regular flat, so that will become the fourth wave, and then again there is chances for the fifth wave. So these two possibilities, it is look bullish, but one more possibility means that is bearish, because if we keep this as a B, C is finished means in the 5-way it's a finished, and if it is in C-way is a diagonal pattern also here, what I took it as a labeling. So this has a chances for making a deeper low. If after that consolidation like this, and then there is a chances for drop to this level. So lot of chances is there. So trading is now here it is in consolidation. That is why I have explained here wave A, B, and if it is a C means, see, I took it as a diagonal. ABC1, ABC2, ABC as a 3, ABC as a 4, ABC as a 5. So the diagonal is completed here. Whether we come to know, we didn't know about this is an ABC, or 1, 2, 3 is completed. So if it is making a triangle, if it break this high is also valid for that fifth wave. Until if it is making a triangle, it didn't break this high means there that could be an A, B of the triangle also, C can drop to the downside. So mind the triangle can happen only in that B wave or in the fourth wave or X wave. So here what we took it as is whether it could be a fourth wave or it could be in the B wave of A. So B wave triangle can happen, and then we expecting if it is a bias stick to the one, this is the third wave, fourth wave. If you enter the trade early here, what it will happen here is it will go like this, and then immediately it will took off like this. Shortfall can happen. So then what you will recognize that, so this is the wave B, and then C has dropped. So still we are in the correction only. So mind that, don't stick to your account. Always there is an opportunity for making an alternative view beyond your view. So market is the king. Mind that. We need to trade according to go along with the market only, not opponent of the market. Mind that. So we move on to US 30. US 30 also same thing. So I don't want to get entered in the positional view. So as of now, same view. It did the 5-way structure, and I had, see, in the past I did this channel. So that is valid. Now it already broken the channel means I just reposition my channel to this high, to this high, and this low and this low. So this channel also we don't want to draw ourselves. It's not looking like a taking this as an, we are not going to draw like that. What we have to do is, the proper way of channeling is, what I will do is just click, clone that, you need to place, no need to adjust anything. So just I reposition my channel, so expecting whether it is in W or X, or this 5-way structure as a as a B, or C is ended, or if it is a W, X, A is ended, or if it could be a Y. So because this as an 5-way structure, so I no need to force the chart. This is a 5-way structure, I am expecting a 3-way structure to the upper side, and then I need a drop. So why I have positioned this chart means, this channel means, just I need, it can give you a deeper pullback to this, and then it can make a new high to break this side. It's not new high means not here, this high. So after this broken, if it broke the channel means we are in that bearish. So once A, B, C is completed, it can have chances for making another complex correction also. So in that 4 hour, it's look like one ABC is over. So whether it is in going to the deeper downside, because it's a 5-way structure, mind that this is a beautiful 5-way structure, and I'm expecting if it didn't break this high, this could consider as a wave 1 also, because if it is a drop of whatever it is, it's A or W and X, so again we are moving to the A wave means, or if it is an A, B, C has to come down means we need to calculate from the wave 1. So wave 2 can't overlap above, and it won't travel above the wave 1. So if it comes to this level, you need to short and place a strict stop loss above this. In this kind of pattern only you need to take a risk, because if it is a 5-way structure, it could be a wave 1 and it could be a wave A also. That is why I'm telling where we have to take risk, we have to take risk. So if it is the finishing of the simple correction wave A and B, C has a 5-way structure to break this low means we need to take a risk. We didn't know whether this correction is enough, or it will took a maybe a complex correction. Not like that. If it comes here, we need to short, placing the stop loss, strict stop loss. If it hit means, then we come to know this is A or whatever it is. We are still in the correction only, we come to know. So like that only we have to trade. So I think I covered everything. Just we'll check once more. DXY, Euro, GBP, AU, NU, CAD, JPY, CHF, and gold, silver, crude, Bitcoin, S&P, US 30. Yeah, I think you enjoyed, and this week also a lot of consolidation and little bit quick move than this week. This week is not moved yet, and we didn't get any pips. I think we will get lot of pips this week because of that C wave or Y wave. It will move fast. So in AU and NU and EU and GU also. Let's see. And in UCAD it has to reach that 1.3750, and in crude also I think it will struck in the triangle for the 4th wave. So let's see. Have a nice week. Thanks for watching my video and analysis and encouraging me. Keep on subscribers or increasing me to my channel. So thanks a lot. And who shared my video also, so thanks for them. And let's see, we will see in the next week. Have a nice day and thanks a lot. Bye.